What's going on, YouTube and pure structure traders? In today's video, we're going to be bringing to you the top 3 tips to analyze markets that will help you as a trader become more effective. Let's start with what is a market analysis. A market analysis is a trader's assessment of opportunities in markets. A market analysis should be conducted each day a trader decides to enter the market and should always be done before their trading session begins. The reason every single trader should consider a market analysis is 1. To understand your opportunities, 2. To plan your approach, and 3. To minimize your risk. If you can learn to follow today's tips that we bring to you straight from pure structure trading, you will learn to be more effective as a trader. Let's move over to tip number 1. Tip number 1 is understanding market conditions. Understanding, is the market volatile? Is it moving fast? Is it moving slow? Is it moving up? Is it moving sideways? Or is it moving down? You can see the image over here. We have an uptrend, we have a sideways trend, and we have a downtrend, right? We want to be able to understand what is the actual condition of the market. We as traders know that not every single strategy is going to work most effective in every single market condition. Right? Some strategies are going to work really well in uptrends, some strategies are going to work really well in downtrends, and some strategies are going to work really well in sideways trends, right? So we want to be able to properly understand the market's conditions before we look to actually enter into the market. What's going to happen is you're going to be one of these 3: a bull, a bear, or an I swear. And if you don't know what an I swear is, all you have to do is learn to record yourself when you're on the wrong end of a trade, and you'll clearly see what that means. Moving us over into tip number 2. Tip number 2 is learning to identify market opportunities. Right? The way we can see this here, support and resistance on the right hand side, support and resistance. The way you're going to do this is create proper support and resistance levels. If you don't understand how to do that, you can follow us here at Pure Structure Trading. We give you some very good content. We're going to be creating some content on supports and resistances and how to properly apply that to the market. You can also join us at Pure Structure Trading, become a member with us, take a coaching course with us, help yourself become successful and learn to read market structure. What this is going to do is give you a clear understanding of the context of the market, and it's going to allow doors to open to identifying opportunities and minimizing your risk in markets. It's also going to allow you to not hold a bias, allow you to know areas that you should be going long, areas that you should be going short, and areas that you should just be staying out of the market if you don't understand what's going on. Tip number 3 is going to be developing market-driven strategies. Now you're going to see the images to the right-hand side, and if you don't know what these images are, they are reversal patterns and also chart patterns that are applied every single day, not just by myself and the traders that we work with, but a lot of different traders look out for these things as well, right? They are going to be market-driven strategies. There's always going to be a lot of different strategies you can apply to the markets, right? But we want to use specific identifiable strategies that help us understand what the market is going to do next, right? If you don't know what double bottoms or double tops, head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders look like, those are 4 simple strategies, 4 simple patterns that appear on charts over and over and over again. Again, we just did a video on how to see double bottoms and how to properly apply that one specific chart pattern. I highly recommend you guys go watch that double bottom video that we created. It helps you guys see exactly how often double bottoms formulate in markets on higher time frame charts, and also what they look like on the lower time frame charts, and how much opportunities you'll get on a daily basis trading each and every session with one specific chart pattern and strategy that way, right? Now, developing market-driven strategies. basically means always trade what's happened on the left of the chart. Never try to trade what you think is going to happen or what you want to happen. Look left of the actual chart and understand what's taking place. Do you see resistance? Do you see support? And that will give you a better understanding of what's going to take place next. If you try to trade what you think is going to happen or what you want to happen in the market, you're more than likely going to be on the wrong side of the trade every single time, and you're going to get real emotional. So look to always trade what happens on the left, or what has happened on the left hand side of the chart. Right? This will help you pinpoint the direction of the market and give you a better understanding of whether you should be going long and or short. Another thing that will help you again is going to be applying one specific strategy. A double bottom, a double top. A double bottom is going to help you understand if this market hits this bottom twice, we should be looking to hold support and going back up to the neckline and through that. This will help you pinpoint the direction of the market and also help you prevent yourself from holding on to trades for far too long when it isn't doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing, right? Specifically, understanding market driven strategies will help you understand how to trade with less emotion and how to trade a process versus an outcome. Hopefully these tips helped you guys out today. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got or any other videos and content you want us to put up here on Pure Structure Trading YouTube, feel free to pop that in here on the YouTube channel. We will see you guys a little bit later. You guys make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience. You guys have a great day. Take care.